Can I be completely honest with you? Mornings are my favorite. The world is just waking up, and with one swipe, I'm connected. Keeping in touch with friends, the news, emails, it's all right here. It's easy, it's instant, and it feels good. Like I'm on top of everything. It started to happen so slowly. One notification, then another. Before you know it, I'm gone. I slowly started to feel disconnected. Lost in a sea of endless scrolling. Time just disappears. I'm still in the room, but my mind, it's somewhere else. It wasn't long before I noticed something was wrong. Something was missing. The quiet moments I used to cherish were replaced by noise. I felt distracted, distant, even from God. I had time for everything but him. But God is always waiting. I realized that all the distractions in the world couldn't feel what my heart was longing for. He was there all along, quietly calling me back, asking me to be still and know that in the end, it's about turning towards Him first. When God is at the center, everything else falls into place. The world can wait, but God's voice, that's the one I can't afford to miss. So run to Him.